Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Vu3Zag. Presenting here is a clip of my 2D plotter built on old DVD drive, stepper motor and an Arduino controller. It uses a drive stepper mechanism for X and Y axis plotting and a servo motor, as you all can see for Z axis plotting. The stepper in the drive mechanism helps for stepwise movement in X and Y direction. The X-axis is controlled by the vertical placed mechanism and its stepper motor, while the Y-axis is controlled by the horizontal stepper mechanism. I have connected a pen on a lever mechanism which the servo will control for Z-axis motion. Using a pen spring, the pen forced to be in down position, while plotting the servo will release the pen in down and pull to up position otherwise. These are few images which I took while building the plotter. Again, use your own creativity to build based on available materials. Here I have basically used wooden pieces and copper clad to set up the Y-axis and vertical support. You can see black colored mechanism in these images which was later replaced with the metal one. This is because the black one was of a CD music player. The pitch size of the gear of CD player mechanism was different with respect to DVD or CD drive, which caused some trouble while initial testing. To get a proper sync in X and Y axis, one must use stepper with least matching pitch in the gear. The electronics used is a popular H-bridge driver L293 along with Arduino Nano, which will talk to PC. Arduino will also drive the stepper and servo according to target image's code coordinate conveyed by processing software. Circuit details are given in description below. Initially I tested the setup on a breadboard and then I shifted to PCB. I soldered everything on a homemade PCB. Ignore the quality, it was real fun to draw everything using marker pen. Now let's see how to create a code and print it using plotter. Here I will be using Inkscape software with pre-installed plugin for code translation. Please check the link below for details on same. So let's create one image and convert it into code. So here we have the code file which is ready to print. Let's plot it. First you have to burn the CNC code on Arduino Nano. For that, connect the Arduino Nano to PC using USB port. Open the Arduino IDE and burn the code to Nano by selecting proper COM port number. Link for Arduino code given in description. Now open the processing software. Open the CNC plotter code and click play or run. The new pop-up will appear. If it detected the Arduino after selecting correct COM port, it will show the comment as mini CNC plotter alive and kicking. Now press G key on keyboard and select the path of the code that we just created. Voila! There you go. Your plotter will start plotting the image.